Hello loyalties, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you how to make some pretty simple and easy bathroom decor pieces that you can use in your bathroom, or you can use for other purposes if you choose to. And these pieces all come from the Dollar Tree, so you know it's very affordable. Here I'm showing you all the items that you will need to complete these particular decor pieces that I will be DIYing. So I'm just figuring to refresh my bathroom, and I wanted to make some little dispensers that I could house some of my beauty supplies in, such as cotton swabs or Q-tips, or you can even put candy in them if you like peppermint in your bathroom. So here I'm just going to put a little bit of this hot glue on this little card placement stand, and I'm going to apply some glue to it and add this clear canister here. And it's a little wobbly, so I do suggest that you turn it upside down and add just a little bit more hot glue across the ring to provide for more stability. And then I'm going to take, of course, my bling, you guys, and I'm going to glue it around the bottom base. I'm also going to glue it around the clear canister as well. Pretty much just decorating the piece to bling it out. You know, I love my bling, so just wanted to add a little bit of it on there. So use as much as you like. Alright loyalties, here I am going to be adding one of these glamorous flatbacks from Totally Dazzled, and it just adds just a little bit more of elegance to this overall look of these little crystal clear glam canisters, and a little bit of bling to the top, and that is going to be it to complete the look. I will show you guys how it looks with some little cotton balls in there. I can't show you what it looks like with my cotton swabs because I don't have them yet. I do need to go to the store and pick up some more because I am out. And be sure to look for these pieces, these new glam pieces, in my bathroom refresh, which will be coming out very soon. I just want to share with you guys budget-friendly ways and things that you can do to spruce up your bathroom or any parts of your home if you're on a budget. So thank you guys for watching. As always, you know I love you. You know I do. And thank you guys for rocking with me and just sticking it out with me. And I really appreciate it. So please like, comment, and share this video, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're here and you've not been here before. Welcome. Click that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.